Alright people, this is MOSHAS again, coming to you from MOSHAS Reggae Lounge in the beautiful Dominican Republic on a beautiful sunny day. I have two gentlemen here that just had some food. Where you guys from?
I'm from Florida.
And you, brother?
From Florida.
What's your name, man? Sean? Your name is?
Terry.
Terry.
And I'm Brian.
Alright, these gentlemen have a website. What do you have, a YouTube channel?
Yes.
A YouTube. Alright, we're going to talk about the YouTube, but I want to mention that they called you. Were you the ones that called me this morning to get the directions?
Yes, that's who it is.
They called me up, and I'll tell you something. I was going to go to the gym real quick and come back. And just as I put my thing on my back, I saw them and I had to accommodate. Very nice brothers, real cool brothers.
Yes.
They saw the food online. They was telling me how they love the pictures, and the pictures is worth 1,000 words. So they had the jerk chicken, and they also had oxtail.
Right.
The brother over there wanted to get a fish. I said, you don't even touch it because the portion is gonna kill him. And I could have easily sold them a fish, but I don't do that because it's a waste of their money and it won't do me no good.
Right.
And most of all, yeah, you see, the Most High won't appreciate that. I'm not saying I'm the best person in the world, but I can't take advantage of people like that.
Right.
So they're gonna tell you a little bit about their adventure in the YouTube, the channel that they have in MOSHAS Reggae Lounge. So you want to tell the people what your thing is all about? The name of your channel and everything?
Yeah, so before I get on there, I just want to say
you want to talk about, tell me about the food, please.
Yes.
Yeah,
Most
before we forget.
definitely. So before we get on the YouTube channel, we was looking for something to eat, something authentic. So I did a little search that says the best restaurants in SOSUA.
Yeah.
And this came up.
Wow. Wow, that's beautiful.
Correct me if I'm saying it wrong.
MOSHAS. Yes, my brother.
And I saw that, and it really, I promise you, it spoke to me.
Thank you.
I started looking at that menu, and I was like, oh, I gotta have it.
There you go.
I told my friend about it, and when he saw the pictures, like he said, 1,000 words.
Yeah, makes 1,000 words.
We have to go. And we knew right then, we came onto the beach and the food was delicious. I tell you, you will not be disappointed. You will not be disappointed.
They couldn't finish it. And you, brother?
And I would say hands down, y'all. Look, just in the States, I've tasted many dishes that were considered to be authentic.
Yeah.
But I'm telling, and I was going to tell you about, but this is the perfect time.
Yeah.
There is a distinct ingredient taste, like there's something
wow different. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You can tell.
Yeah,
you know?
thank you.
You can absolutely tell. That's when you know when something's genuine.
Yeah,
something's
thank you.
Authentic,
Thank you.
When it sets itself aside from the rest.
Yes.
I tasted it in that food.
I did the jerk chicken for them, authentic, and I did the oxtail. Now, I don't blow dry oxtail. What I mean by blow dry oxtail, people, is I don't put in a pressure cooker to cook. Oxtail is a type of meat. The fibers are very dense. And when you break it up in such a rapid pace, you lose all of that flavor. So I cook it in a fire outside, the way we cook it in Jamaica. So it maintains that integrity. This is one of the flavors he's talking about.
Okay.
The jerk chicken is the same way. The way I cook the jerk chicken, I don't cook it in a microwave or put some sprinkle on it. I make my own sauce.
Right.
There's 23 different sauces, over 30 sauces sometimes I put on there.
Wow.
And I marinate, and I smoke, and I jerk. And it takes a minute. Go ahead, brother.
No, I was about to say, it's a process.
Yeah, it's a process.
Man, it's work.
And this is what I call, this is real soul food.
Yes, right.
It's a soul
you know,
food.
I never knew what that meant until people started telling me.
Right.
Because believe it or not, that's where it's coming from.
Right.
And I'm going to tell you guys, I never went to school for this. So I went to NYU. I studied screenwriting, and I study computer and movie making. I graduated from Fashion Institute of Technology in New York. I work for Norma Kamali, Neiman Marcus, Freddie. I don't want to big myself up. So the reason I'm saying that is, people, you must realize one thing. You have a gift within you. And if you stop chasing after stupidness, the carrot, and just relax and settle down, the Most High will come to you and give it to you.
Oh, yeah.
And this is everything I do. I cannot take the credit for it. I have to give the credit to where it's due. This is what brings brothers like this here, because it is written, no man cometh unto the Father, unto me, except the Father bringing him. I'm not putting myself in that position, but I'm saying nobody can come to my spot unless something pulls them. And the brother just said it. He said the food spoke to them.
Yes.
And why? Because of what I put in the food.
Yes.
This is why when people come up in my place, if they're not a patient, I don't feel bad just telling them to go somewhere else. Because I don't cook pig food here. You know, I cook the real